Hi, and welcome to this Empower overview, where I will show you what exactly Empower can do for you as a user and for your company. We at Empower believe that professional documents build trust. Trust in your brand, trust in your work, and in your company. That's why we developed Empower, a solution for Microsoft Office, which is helping you creating documents which are on brand, error-free, and simply look good. So let's take a look how exactly it works in Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, with the help of Empower, you have the possibility to distribute all your workbooks within the whole organization or maybe for specific business areas. If, for instance, I would like to start with one of the templates or workbooks, then I could simply search here in the company library for something like dashboard. Here I have three to choose from, and I just could double click on one, and this template will be directly open for me, and I can start working with this template to create, for instance, a complex analysis like that. If you would like to start a calculation or a Excel sheet from scratch, and maybe it's not a working document this time, but it is something that really needs to be attached to a specific report, a supporting document with some numbers, then this document also should look good and be on brand. So how are we achieving that? We also have, as in all other Empower applications, the possibility to work with font pickers so that you have only your corporate fonts here in the Excel integrated. Also, you have the possibility to restrict the font sizes and working with the brand compliant color pickers. So you know what type of colors are allowed to be used as fonts, as fill colors, and as light highlights as well. If, for instance, I would like to format this specific calculation based on our corporate design, then what I can do is working with different table styles and cell styles. So let's start with the table styles here. I could just very easily load some table styles by choosing one of the pre-configured sets and apply. If the style is applied, then you could find it here under Format as Table feature, and here in the custom you have your style that you could apply. Simply click on that, confirm, and then you're ready to go. If, for instance, we would like to have some more formatting with the cells over here, then we could also use the predefined cell styles. If, for instance, I would like to apply those, then I will also find them under cell styles over here. We have here something for footer formatting, which is also nice because we have a footer here under this table, like that. And maybe we also would like to highlight some revenues or maybe the total cell over here with a different formatting as well. So maybe we would like to have highlighter like that. So Empower is making it very easy for you to make sure that even the tables which are sometimes considered as working document also look on point and on brand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.